My name is Craig Sigelski, and I am one of the instructors at the Cardinal Manufacturing program. I'm here with my Cardinal Manufacturing students at the IMTS show 2022. What's really valuable for the students at Cardinal Manufacturing is they get exposed to the wide array of manufacturing careers in the industry today. They also gain so many soft skills, people skills, professional skills, which will be transferable in any career they pursue. And they also are gaining the technical skill of manufacturing and being exposed to so many of the latest technologies out there in today's industry.
One thing that really sparked my interest in the program is the ability to learn the soft technical skills and also have the ability to work on a machine that makes a proper part and I actually make something creative.
My dad has always been in manufacturing, and I went to an open house with him one time and I was impressed immediately, and the whole place was just impressive, way better than any high school shop I'd ever seen, better than any shop I've ever been in before. And when I was in there, I talked to my dad the same night about opening and rolling there and transferring to Scrum so I could be in Cardinal Manufacturing.
Cardinal Manufacturing has been working to improve its facility, the students, the culture, the technology, the technical skills since 2007. We're very happy where we are. We still want to continue improving our own facility, but we're really working on now producing resources for schools around the country to replicate our student-run business model. We are producing videos, books, other resources, and holding workshops to help schools that are interested in running a student-run business.
One cool thing that I've seen here at the IMTS show is how much the 3D printing metal has gone into the industry. The first and really the only time I have heard about that was at a college last year. In the program, I don't know how much we'll be using metal printing, but we are working on updating our 3D printer and stuff, so looking around and seeing how the industry has also evolved with that is pretty important.